This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in British Pound US Dollar currency pairs. As usual, we'll start the analysis from the higher time frame to lower time frame. We'll look at the trend in the higher time frame and then analyze the support and resistance levels for each time frame. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entries and exits. In this video, I'm starting the analysis from monthly time frame. Let us look at the current trend of the market. So from this level, when we draw a trend line or resistance line, it is very clear that all the way the trend is on the downside. It has tried to break this resistance level and fell on a bearish trend reversal. Again it tried to break this resistance level. Again it is falling on a bearish trend reversal. So overall the price action in monthly time frame is in a bearish trend. And let us look at the support and resistance levels in monthly time frame. So this is a level it started to test the resistance line. I am drawing a resistance level over here. And again at this point it tried to break this resistance line and it couldn't break this resistance line and started falling on a bearish trend reversal. So I am drawing one more resistance line over here. And again I am drawing one more resistance line from where it started its bearish trend reversal. So when we look at the distance between the resistance line and the next support level, I am drawing a rectangle pattern over here. And when I try to move this rectangle pattern and measure the next level where it started is bullish trend reversal, it is very clear that so from here it retraced 100%, then it retraced 50%, then it started its bearish trend reversal. When I try to measure the next level of the fall, you can clearly notice that here the spike or the shadow is touching the support level of this rectangle pattern. So it is on a downtrend and it always retraces 50%, then falls 100%, again retraces 50%. So now we can understand that there is a chances for it to fall 100%. But currently this support level is holding because we have seen prices bouncing back from this support level. Still the support level is holding and current price action is in a bearish trend reversal. So it has to break this support level in order to complete the 100% retracement. And when we check the Fibonacci's retracement level using the Fibonacci's extension tool. So from here it started its bearish trend reversal. It came near to the support level of 1.37, then made a bullish trend reversal. So when we look at the retracement level, it has retraced up to 50% of the Fibonacci's extension tool. Then it started its bearish trend reversal. In the past, it has taken support around the level of 78.60%, then bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. And at present, the price action has almost retraced up to the level of 78.60%. Let me draw a support line over here. I have drawn the support line where the shadows have touched. So there is little bit more space for the current trend to come and test this level. So all this area is going to be acting as a support level for the current price action. If the price action breaks this support level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair on the bearish side. So when we look at the price action more closely, these are all the resistance and support levels in monthly time frame. When this support level is broken, we have the confirmation that the bearish trend reversal has started in monthly time frame also, which means that same level of fall can be expected in the coming future. So the approximate target will be 0.865. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, we know that these are all the support levels from the monthly time frame, which are very strong support levels. And currently the price action is in a bearish retracement. And when we closely analyze the current trend of the price action, previously it was nicely moving within a bearish channel pattern. Every time when it tested this support line or trend line, it had always bounced back on the bullish side. But when we notice the current price action, it broke this support line and steeply fell on a bearish trend reversal. So it is in a very strong bearish trend reversal for now. And if the bullish trend reversal happens from here, we can expect it to take resistance on this support line or trend line and to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal, because this line will be acting as a resistance line for the future price action. And when we draw the trend line to check the current trend of the price action, we can clearly notice that it's trading below this resistance line. So even if the price action goes on a retracement, we can expect it to bounce back from this resistance line on a bearish trend reversal. So if the bearish trend continues, next level of support is going to be around 1.20 from the monthly time frame. So this whole area between 1.20 to 1.13 is going to be acting as a strong support for the future price action. So these are all the resistance and support levels for daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. When we analyze the price action in hourly time frame, I am again drawing the channel pattern over here. Previously the price action was trading within a channel pattern in hourly time frame, taking support on the support line of the channel pattern and bounced back on the resistance line. Again it started trending on the bearish side, breaking this support line of the bearish channel pattern. Currently we can notice that there is a consolidation going on in hourly time frame. Again I am drawing one more channel pattern in hourly time frame. So when we look at the price action, it is again trading within this support and resistance level, but it is on a bearish trend. Even if the price action goes on a bullish trend, we can expect it to bounce back from the resistance level of 1.25. So as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently the price action is trading within a bearish channel pattern. We can expect it to take support at the higher time frame support level of 1.23 and to bounce back on the bullish side. As long as the price action doesn't break this resistance level of 1.25, we can expect it to trade within this bearish channel pattern and to continue its bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, it went on a very strong bearish trend and took support around the level of 1.22 and it is on a sideways market. When we draw the trend line to check the current trend of the market, we can notice that it is trading near the resistance line. If the price action bounces back on the bearish trend reversal, we can expect it to take support at the support level of 1.22, and if the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to bounce back and retest on the resistance level of 1.25. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it is trading within this support and resistance line. It has not broken this resistance level or it has not broken this support level. It is on a sideways in 5 minutes time frame. Wait for it to break this higher time frame support level or 30 minutes time frame resistance line in order to take a directional trade. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 5 minutes time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is consolidating within this resistance line and support level. Wait for it to give a directional breakout for taking directional trade. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.